Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have a really quick Marc Jacob small tote review. So if y'all want to hear more about this here review, then y'all know what y'all need to do. You got to keep watching. But before you keep watching, please click on that subscribe button. Yep, right here. Just click on it before I get started, so y'all can be part of the family. So with that being said, I was thinking, you know what, Miss Tamika, you forgot to mention a bag organizer. So I had this bag organizer for some years because a company sent this to me like way back when, and I still have it, and it's still in good condition, and I still love this here organizer. And I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and do a review on the bag, showing how it looks with a bag organizer, just in case you all want the bag or already have the bag, and you know, you may say, hey, maybe I can use maybe I may need an organizer for the bag. Now, an organizer will help keep the bottom of your bag clean. Like, it will keep your bag in perfect condition. If you struggle with having things that's at the bottom of your bag, sometimes cause your bags to get dirty, with this here organizer, everything would be in here. So anytime you go, and not even if you worried about things in a bag, if you that type of person that constantly changes your bag, this here is something good to have, because instead of having to take all that stuff out, you could just grab this here and plop it into another bag, another tote, or whatever the case is. So I think you can get this off of Amazon. I'm not 100% sure. Said I would try and leave the information that I have here on this here organizer, because like I said, I did have it for a while. I'm gonna grab the tote, because y'all know, let me grab the tote. If this is your first time popping on my channel, this is the tote that I am talking about. I haven't worn it yet, but I purchased the Marc Jacob small tote in the color, I think this is slate green. Matter of fact, let me just read the tag. Yeah, this here is slate green. And I tell you, when I went back to editing them videos, y'all, this bag is so beautiful. Like, I am not over exaggerating in them videos. This here bag is gorgeous, to the point where I was already online looking to purchase another one. Like, I was looking at the yellow tote, but I was like, Tamika, chill. You know what I mean? Like, wear this one first, because I would hate to purchase the yellow and it just sits. So I was like, I'm gonna just wait. Tote is like something new. So I was like, maybe if I wait for a while, they probably will eventually go on sale. So I was like, you know what, Tamika, chill out. You got one already. Use that first, and then go ahead and order the brighter colors, or those pretty light. But y'all, I'm already on it. I'm already looking for another tote. Like, yeah, I am. Okay, already. So I tried to tilt the camera down so y'all can focus on this here beauty. So I did pull out my old cosmetic pouch. I didn't get a chance to fill it up with anything as of yet, but this is the cosmetic pouch I'm gonna go with, far as carrying it in this here bag. Like I tell you, I keep all my paper for my bag so I can stuff them at the end. Yo, it's crazy, because after I filmed this here video, the next day I ended up hurting myself. And it's crazy because I didn't even do nothing to hurt my back. I was in here cleaning my night tables, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, my back started hurting, like real bad, to the point where I couldn't move. So I was in the process of putting my stuff in here, to the point where I just left it as is, because y'all, I was in so much pain. But anyway, so we'll work with this bag. And I did used to use this in my Never Full, and so this here pop of color is going to look gorgeous against this here slate green. I didn't mention it has 2 buttons on the side where you can button it to make it a lot smaller, or you can open it to widen the organizer. And if I didn't mention, it has this here what is this, like a keychain or a name tag thing or whatever. And then it has this here clip where if you want to attach your keys, because of course, you know, if you have a big bag like a Neverfull or something like this, you know, your keys can go everywhere. And then you also have a zipper pocket. You have a few outside pockets, this here. Then you have this right here in the front, these two pockets. And then you also have this here. So you have a lot of pockets in this here thing to show you how it fits. So as you can see, it fits really well in this here particular bag. You do have room to put more things in here, like say if you want to put a book in here, your iPad, you do have that extra room for that, because this here organizer does not take up a lot of room. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fill the organizer up just so y'all can kind of see how it look with stuff in it. And this is not what I would carry in this here particular organizer, but this is just for the sake of the video, because I had my stuff in that Adidas bag too, because a lot of times when I was having to run out, I was just grabbing that Adidas bag. So some of my stuff is in there as well. Also have a pen. Here is the bag, and here's the bag with the organizer. I have some stuff in here. Let me pull the stuff out so y'all can see how full the organizer is. So here's the inside of the organizer. If I didn't mention, I have my cosmetic pouch, I have my card case, a mirror, my Blotterazzi, my Kate Spade card case, some stuff, y'all. But here goes some cookies. Here was already in, this was already in the organizer. So here is some Kleenex tissues. Let me see, these Frosties were usually have a cute, okay, this was from 2018, y'all. This is how long I had this organizer, probably even longer. I have these here blotting papers. I think I got this from Walmart. It came in like a beauty box. I have this here Chanel mirror. Whatever this is made of, it attract like dust, and so it kind of got like a little extra dusty. I didn't need it, to be honest, because as you can see, I have mirrors after mirrors after mirrors. So here is the stuff in here. So I will close this just to show you that you can button this here on the side. And then it also has this here, which helps to carry your stuff, like grab your stuff a lot easier. Let me show you. It just say you, let me see. So yeah, you have this here little strap, which helps to transfer your stuff in and out of bags. Like I said, I don't really use an organizer all the time, but again, if you that person that constantly switch out from bags to bags, I would highly recommend an organizer. Mention this video is not sponsored. I just was looking through my videos and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and share how an organizer will work in this here bag, because I see a lot of people watched my video, so I was like, let me just throw out another way this bag can work for you all, because y'all, when I tell you this bag is gorgeous, I ain't lying when I tell you. And if y'all have this here bag, comment down below letting everybody know that Miss Tamika ain't lying. Like, this bag is gorgeous. So here is, like I said, the way you can pull it out of each of your bags. So here I'm putting it back in. I don't think I'm gonna do any modeling shots, only because strictly talking about how this bag, if this bag can fit an organizer. Now I don't know the dimensions on this here particular organizer. I find information on it, all the dimensions and the measurements and all of that, because I really don't do all that here on this channel. Click on the actual website, or if I leave a link, it'll give you all of that, you know, all that information that y'all may need. Here's the bag. Again, with the organizer, it do zips. And then also somebody wanted to know, I know I answered that in my what fits in my bag video, but it do fit a 13-inch computer, because I do have a MacBook which is a 13-inch, and it do fit one with no problem. So if you have a MacBook or a computer that's a 13-inch, you're fine. Here's the bag. I didn't get a chance to order a strap for it as of yet, but I'm still looking because like I said, these hair straps are $85 and I just purchased this hair bag, so it's not like a must that I go ahead and purchase a strap right now. But if y'all have this hair bag, let me know which strap you will wear with this, because I'm still looking for, like, I want the black and white one, but then if I can get one with color, something kind of matching this, that would be perfect. Like I said, I wish they had a way where you can switch the straps on a particular bag you like, far as the color, like the Apple bands on the Apple website, because then I can be like, okay, I can switch it up far as color wise. Bag, when I tell you, it's so gorgeous. I love her so much. And they do have the mini version of this hair bag. I haven't been down to Lenox Mall in those stores like Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom's to see why a lot of times I'm ordering things online, because I really don't be wanting to travel all the way down there. So I was like, if I purchase it and don't like it, I'll just send it back. And like I said, it did zipper with no problem. Did notice that this silverware is, silverware. I did notice that this here hardware is silver, but I'm wondering, will it work with gold hardware? Because this here slate green looks like it would look nice with gold as well, but I'm not sure, y'all. I'm still looking for the perfect strap. Again, here is the organizer one more time. I just wanted to show you all that this here bag works great with the organizer. It doesn't matter which one you have, I'm sure it will fit, even if yours is a little bigger than this. I'm not sure if they come bigger than this. I do have a smaller one, so I don't know if this is the biggest size of this here particular organizer, but I'm sure if you have a little bigger than this, like I said, you would be fine, because it has room for you to be able to put more stuff, like like I said, a book, a tablet, or even my vlogging camera. I didn't put my vlogging camera in here, but I can fit my vlogging camera in here if I need to put it in here. I can even put it on the side of the bag. So yeah, you all, this here bag is so far my favorite. Matter of fact, let me just show you one modeling shot with this hair gray sweater if you want to just see how it looks with different colors. Because like I said, when I purchase my bags, I look for them to be like an everyday type of bag. So as you can see, it looks good with that hair gray sweater. Don't mind my little hot shorts, y'all. I've been running around the house all day with my little hot shorts on, but it's good with that gray, y'all. So if y'all wanted to know if this is a every color type of bag, to me it is. Like, if y'all worried about this bag far as the color, like I said, I would wear it as an everyday bag. They do have other colors, like they have black, blue, or colors like that. Like I said, I am looking to get a summer color. My eye on that yellow. So yeah, I'm really looking at that yellow, and that's going to be like my summer tote for when I'm running around Georgia, wanting to be cute and stylish all at the same time, and don't have to worry about putting my stuff in other bags, because I'm carrying these here small bags, y'all. I think at the end of the day, I go back and forth. Some days I want to carry something small and to the point, and then some days I want to carry, like a cute tote. If y'all like this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, because y'all know it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.